Hello, my name is Jingya Xiao. My group members and I are going to give a virtual tour of Lawrence Lab. Generally speaking, our group works on the development of precision polymer and nanomaterial-based building block to develop functional material with predictable and controllable properties. We are going to briefly introduce our instruments. I'll start from what we use for synthesis, Schlenkline. One of the manifold is connected to argon and the other is connected to vacuum. This enables us to manipulating the air and moisture sensitive compounds. For even strict condition, we have glove box.
Hello, my name is Dennis Ogunda, and I will be introducing you to one of our equipments, which is the gel permission chromatography unit. So we use this to determine the molecular weight and also the distribution of our samples. So this is a size exclusion chromatography unit, which works on the basis of the heavier sample eluting at an earlier time, and the smaller sample in trying to explore the pores, the elute at a later time. So this is one of the most important instruments of our lab. It's like the heart of the lab. It's an automated flash chromatography setup. We use it basically for two processes, either to purify our samples, that's to remove some unwanted material from our samples, or majorly to isolate our samples into discrete individual molecular weights, which have the well-defined properties which can be used for advanced materials. So basically the setup works on the basis of varying this mobile phase polarity, and due to its interaction with our sample, each individual sample's elites at different times. So this is our new baby. It's a recycling size exclusion chromatography unit, which we use for high resolution separation or purification. So how does this work? Our sample goes on several cycles around the column, and it ensures a more separated baseline, which makes our sample comes out in pure fractions.
My name is Michael Bierman, and this is our UV vis, which measures the absorption of UV, ultraviolet, and visible light of a material. This is the thermogravimetric analyzer. It measures the weight change of a material as a function of temperature. This allows engineers to correlate weight percent with weight percent change with the chemical structure and in-use performance. Other than the instruments in our lab, we also use instruments such as NMR, IR, and MALDI from the chemistry department. And because our lab focuses on synthesis and characterization of materials, we can easily collaborate with other research groups.